twabakira oguni murundi aha TV West program niyo murembe kandi or hamwe na nyete muhimu Sarita ko twabe twarebire na kunce zihingwireho turi kuganira ahantera yebishani ningashishitwe ta photography no musigazi Danny Shots or telebishani umtawone yambarira nerizo batwagaruka nawe tugamba aha videography ningashi uko kubasa kwata video no basa kwatuta video rikosa kamera yawe ningashi yesimu wabone kamera mpango twagiteho ningo gumenitwe tubase kugenda mission nawe arikutishoborera details ahazindi obase kwetegereza okwata video
Last time tukagamba photography twaje exhaustinga, but this time around zakwa tugamba video kandi nuko kubasa kukore system yawe wakarecordinga cinematic videos zirinka film ezo kulebeza Hollywood almost nuko kubasa gamba. Yeah, so last time around kabagambira a lot of things ezo kubasa kukore kishani cyabonera. You know, we talked a lot about a lot of factors nabagambira na exposure triangle, aperture, ISO, shutter speed, ebintu nkebyo values ezo tukoresa kufune kishana camera kibone has the same values ezo tukoresa some video, but just they might mean different terms on cinema cameras ezempango ezibakoresa film nashi, but they are the same values we use everywhere, no matter the less. So it is over nza kubantu kwereka like uko kubasa kukoresa simu yawe je ino mungare yo murembe whatever brand it might be kukwata video bonire. So omulundo ogo nza kubantu gamba video yesumu nanoko kubasa kukwata video yakabi yesumu omuntu akabasa kumimpress ngo ine simu yo kabi yo murembe ine camera zibe ine camera zishate ine camera zina alone zine camera zitaneze shaso. It is enda kureba how can you use your phone effectively wakashanga wakwata video ebonire na nesumu yawe echo chona nchija bata. So today ntiza kureba clip ya around Barra Town. It is shot on a phone mtakati na mukazira video imwe areba ne basa kuba ya shooting so camera waningete, but everything is shot on a phone. Chona twakoresa sumu kushootinga twaje editinga twaje bereka ko kujireba ko kano basa takora video nkejo niwe omuka ahore hosta. Well, ebintu bitwagambira last time mu photography ngija playing a part in videography. Tukagamba framing na composition nonga last time na basagamba ni mu photography. Framing na composition on video tubikoresa bata. Well, basically it's the same way. Noza kumanya tunakwata tesumi yanje nebintu binga ebinkwendo frame bikemu kana bisamuntu on frame yachi yesumi yanje. Because most times tena tukwata simu tukora na recording ekintu lese oriyambaga oriyomba tunenda kwata a certain person. Yes, you have the space na lens yawe ine na field of view kumwike kubasa kumkwata kokoshanga wamukwata wakwate bijerekando mtu wakorachi wagutema. So framing is still very essential mu video. The same as composition. Composition iko setting up videos that in this case videos are more complex, but in any case composition tekwetaga kuja setting up it all the time. Video would tinyine bintu byo kwasa kujishobora hebu mutakumanya already like mukore hebu mutakumanya mbasa ko mubire yakucyo ko bicenga mutakoreshenga bato mubimanya kujya mukora ki no mubireba. So that's video. Video uko kuna nabagambire has the same values as photography, ISO, aperture na shutter speed. Ko kanani nyine nko ko umuntu arikushoma video ari umushomero ya videography na basa kucenga ngo bigambe binagamba, they are more common with photography not videography actually. So videography being a different terms but meaning the same thing. So ISO mbabasa kujeta gain, shutter speed mbabasa kujeta shutter angle, kana aperture mbabasa kujeta aperture it qualifying as f-stops mbabasa qualifying as t-stops. So baninga aperture neba iris, in other words it kwata iris. So video ine emigasho mwena mujimanya video emigasho nyechi mwena nechishanya na video niye, but in this case it's a moving picture nechishane chiri kutambula. In other case mpoko kwasakora kuchigamba okwa video je mukureba ni collection ya frames zebishani byingi but just playing back at a constant or a designated speed. Mbwen video chikwatot yeri second emu ya video erimu frames 10 kugira ngo second yane lasting abateza za frames zinga ikumeza atambula depending frame rate wano shooting zira frame rate zinga mboni zimanisa chi well bamwe muri mu masakwa mwina masimu ganyu mureba gariho resolutions na frame rates ko kamta kuzinga sukumasano urebe kintu nka 1920 times 1080 urebe kintu nka 2160 times 1440 to kumanya bikumenza. So resolution eje kureba ne determining how sharp or how detailed your video is going to be. So the higher the resolution of one mango in a more detail and a more sharpness to what your picture, because your resolution is high. So in most cases our African shooting on full HD no format shooting. In other words, that's me ayo kubasa kureba ka 1920 times 1080. Ba musicians abakora music videos, other people who shoot movies basa kwamba koresa higher resolutions kaza 4K, zimukura 6K or even 8K erhona ye. But in Africa adoption iteri hands munonga so ntikoresa munonga full HD na HD. HD na L19 na L1280 times 720 pixels. 1280 na width 720 L length yacho. So you have to get it like that. Same way resolution uko kuplenga kuri and uko kuplenga na kundi. Higher the resolution, the sharper and the more detailed your video is going to be. So shiriacha video twagamba resolutions. What are frame rates? Frame rates zina nabagambire zimasako uri msumi orebe 1920 at 24 frames, at 30 frames, at 60 frames, at 120 frames, at 240 frames, depending. Niyo mukaru ine camera kwa sakwa na ndewa sakwa camera on shooting a video, but it shoots at higher frame rates. So frame rates season ziyamba tezezi tugamba. Frame rates welo no saku zikwa toti. Ngo kutu atwagambira ngo second mwena sakwa maybe shani kumi depending on the frame rate you're shooting at. Frame rates mko kumazipata. Harugo kushanga mudashike mwejo was fitting am frames nyingi. Hazo frames nyingi ko kuzifitting am in case wanaenda gukora nke kintu kitkweta slow motion. No ijagarka nozo mu editor ezo frames is playing back at half the speed because ni nyingi niza kumanipulating effect yo kwereka ngo kishani kiri mu kitambura mpora ago kugira ngo almost every second every millisecond el whole frame yetshani. So in layman's terms of the kwashobora je frame rate zikora frame rates nizo ziri kujajinga okutushoza video yitu ntwende tambureta negendera speed ki a pace ki nkoko kugireba twena ntumanya slow motion konka obwiro bwinjiri abinje mbasa kurota kumanya shooting slow motion abaninga nanye ne kamera yanje nimbasa ntakufuna from fast motion yo kashanga nafuna umukono gufutambura batika slow motion. So frame rate je tugamba hati kanchi bashobora je okumukubasa kuchikwata na kamera zanye zimwe nuko baninga amasimu ganye amasimu gawe esimu yawe yo ine yeriye murembe munonga no basa kureba option ya 21 ya full HD at 60 frames per second no kwetara yemurembe actually munonga most phones have that option. Nibasa shooting a full HD at 60 frames per second. Well, 60 frames per second is a faster frame rate because we can take it. Nibasa kujitwara editor yetu, tubase kujichendeza speed tuyemecha kwata slow motion. So 60 twajiteka nkomo 8 kweditinjira, tukiketa reducing the speed to 50%. It will play back smoothly as a slow motion version because in a lot of frames omuriyeje time 8 wa shooting. So frame rates na resolution no vigenda hand in hand, but frame rates ngoko mwazichenga nizituyamba ku managing speed ya video yo kutambula. Ntwenda slow motion ntwenda fast motion, fast paced action obaninga we want just a natural movement. So frame rate nteche kukola ki nteche kutuyamba. Well, frame rates zigumiza meze zimukureba they start at 24 ninkoko numuninga mbeze shaha they are shooting me at 24 frames per second. So it's perfect for interviews, perfect for people who are talking, perfect for dialogue, anything like that. But if you're shooting action, abantu bamuni birukanga, well, no basakwa noenda at some point to get that jarring effect yo kwereka ngo omuntu ari ha pressure, arumuna hinduka baringa turumuntu rano baringa it's moment yo bunkenke. So higher frame rate sound zija ma boko baniza zitereza that choppy feeling ejo kugira ngo if I shoot at 60 frames per second video yanje neza kuba too fast because it has that choppy effect. Najera mbato mkono gwanje aho mnyisho ngwaso butajirejo blur imwareba mdata nacho blur nagujera ntingu wasakwa go recorded in a sharp way in every move. Well, it might not look as pleasing to our eyes konkabo kushootinga movie bamba shooting high action scenes let's say nemotoka netambara hari abantu barumune bazina hari abo kurwana an action scene ne bashooting at that frame rate kwenda bazo editing software zabo babasa kugichendeza babase kufuna those cinematic feels zo kushanga yijo mu motion yenyere then yazo slow motion then agako motion like that emu kwa mwenda murebe mu video music videos n'ibindi bintu binji ba directors bakola.
Omuntu rero kinabasa kubana yabuza videography n'ikininga shininga n'ikinyamba kita kanya sije ngo mbinte byakushoborera umukashonshore cyaka wainebo ayo nechi waigamu kandi kibasa kugasha daily life yawe ahabo kuba murembo gutura mu fashion right now on evolving around photography and videography no jware kijwaro kirungi no basa kuba ine kintu cyone cyo kwenda kutere kishani to keep the memory konka oine kuchitera in a fashionable way kandi sije ngo ine chwai hamu kandi katizo mu kahumuro nitugarakana binji otargaho. Tabarukayo omkahumuro niko turayongeretse mu program eyo murembe kandi gumanitwe obase kwenjera kuhamya ninga shikunyweza fundamentals za videography na photography twine dani shots otarga
twagamba resolution twagamba frame rate well nanyana no kubahereza eji video itukora imukureba tukola like the music videos we do documentaries people might be shooting movies well nibaso ko etar camera yonkere kutuyamba fune chane kitwafuna nke chane kimwarebo bumwe we use some other products kubasa kutereza video yo murembe itwenda kugira mwene ugo murembe guroho nizo trends ezohezesha so ninza kubagambira just ibintu bice bikoresa ko yamba mu videos zitu kutandukana n'ekinte cyo muhendo munongo muntu cyashemeye kuba ine buri muntu wena kwenda kushutinga video mu somo apart from the camera ekinte kinde cyakabire cyashemeye kuba ine ni tripod eje kurebe inomugasho mahango munonga ahanjeri tukwata video enjeri tukwasa kustabilizinga video nebinte bitukubasa gukora twatune tripod in case turi twenka no nda kwa shooting oru nka toine nije muntu kwata ra kamera tripods are so helpful so one and kuzo video I would suggest that your first purchase apart from a good camera isheme kwa tripod so apart from a tripod what else do we use well tutakajire hare twine bintu nka sliders twine bintu nka gimbals halo jibs halo cranes some of the things even meaning ngambani bahango munonga tibineberenga budget zita bamwe but for the start it's good to save kurigirire cyo kwenda gukora okamanya tunyenda gukora iki kandi naki savingera kandi nicyo kinkwenda kirigemu nicyo kinkwenda kirigemu cyenyine kinkwenda cyenyine kiri mu cyo ebyo bintu byana binagamba well they might be out of our budget bimwe nkaza jib na za crane kubanga some of them tubikwetaga actually kugira ngo tubintu bikoresa byona kuko ari ibintu bikuyamba nka gimbals kandi gimbals ebirebi na namasumu nagonga basa kufuna gimbo kuba ngo kutukoresa mu kwata video zimukureba ama TV kugira ngo zibe more stable erige mukari aka shake in end ekishane kibamo cinematic obaninga nkakire cyo kureba umukuru icyo kintu cyo kumansanaga ndakigambo cinematic so today mwareba video je to shooting yambara mwareba maybe into byinji but most of the people who are asking me actually bambeguza konka kwere namazima mu shooting rasumo because bareba ekishane mwene cyabanga cyashanke kindi already cyashanke cyaburije konka what I want to tell you is one thing is esumezo kureba treat them the same way you treat cameras koko kugira ngo nanye ndakushutinga video nungi nimbasa kuchera kashesha bani ngo mwaza akashana kan karenga kugira ngo light ebonire neza kubel diffused were soft na n'umuntu nani mukwata face na kwata video shadow byinji I can get nice footage nicyo tukora kimwe na Nesum we move out with these phones can't enda kwata footage ebonire into treating anga cameras empango ninza kujesiga agu kuja munimanye ne camera nayo it might not be having a camera that is as good as the camera maybe I used to shoot music videos in course of shooting music videos documentaries but good enough compared to my daily life in a cinematic way so ni manyisa chinko kumwarga kurebeje video itwareba the scenes the angles the cutting everything nichikorwa fukoso umuntu arikubanza yashome video nakabimanya but ni wo muka atakumanya ku editing edge of footage in a video you can hold your phone better and shoot better video just from watching this video I didn't think yebi bintu cyo kuzagaraka mukoraba mu misho so nza kufuna kamera ho misho gitu a real camera banze nabashobora ho habintu bice ebitukoreso video ebitutumekishane cyabonera kandi cyarerekaje kusinga cyo ndijo muntu wakora ki o recording so in any case omuntu wenu omuko wakubasa kuba ine kamera yakukolesa oba ninga kajugura kamera eri aho naenda kuba nashutinga videos z'embaga oba ninga ine sumu naenda kuba nakwata daily life ye kutambula omumisho oba ninga abana be oba ninga his pets or anything oba ninga even his business, because you might be having a good phone and you can make an advert actually for your business using your phone. So watch on, niza kubegesa a lot of things, how to frame, how to compose, just in a little bit nko kutwakozera mu photography. So that ni word yomuka obeno manyangu tureyo ino mungalo. It's not just for calling na texting. You can actually use it to promote your own business visually. When I'm sharing a clip on WhatsApp, but imagine it wasn't just a clip. Imagine you put reason and you make a clip wajo tinyananje boneze n'umuntu yagireba ni clip yes nesu, but amanyangu nateka mu mutima kora ki kuji editing nkajishooting nkajikora uko kweri no kwekosha. Twatwagambira kintu cyo kwata video ya camera zitu na no kutukubasa kutuboneza kufite kamera. So right now turi ahero mukashana nakashana kashaha mwenda. Of course akanuka kashana ko kusinga ifitiganisa abantu bingi bamba shooting a video. On frame yitu tuine mechi zimbe tuineena na sky enyuma yitu konka kamera yenyina ne basa kuba no reba no basa kwata kureba cyangwa basa kwano kireba je, but sky runo basa kujireba no reba nebice biriyo kandi shayina no basa kurebana n'ikiriya omisho gachi ga sky gikizimbe kiresreje kiri well exposed woke kikumanyisa ekishani kite kinyina ize sha n'ekishani kirungi cyo kize kandi chill dark kine na flight. So ekintu kibasa batakufuna kaba videographer abaningano basota kuburya mbaga bakabasa kukanofuna exposure yawe right utabanza kuza kufigitinga na kamera kukore binebi ukashanga utayamba at the end of the day. So tuina kantaka kuba kweta Instagram depending on the camera you have. Nyo kamera yanje ne basa kubene capabilities zoko za touch screen yawe ne basa kweta zine, but whatever the case every camera ine kintu kiba kweta Instagram. Hateje yanje abo kugira ngo ne ya video eze shaha neyereka live meters nagitambuza negumane tambura. You can see levels moving as levels ziri munsi tamana kugira ngo it's video exposure je mukureba negumane changing depending camera itu akorachi itu agirebese aza nayagumane changing na Instagram mujireba je negumane korachi netambura. So I want to explain this Instagram eri izoba na nuko kubasa kugikoresa na nasumi yawe actually funa video nunji oba ninge bishane birunji in any case. So Instagram page nturebe ine erinka graph ine bwa pixel bo buri agato buguma mu picking ana butambura. So ne kwereka ki eze shahu bwa buri agati nene kwereka ngo kishani cyawe kiri well exposed tikikosi ya munonga okwa twachokesa munonga nubutoreji side can't chill dark munonga chaba dark munonga it gets this side. So what you need to know is that the left represents darkness, the right represents brightness. So how do you achieve the perfect exposure? Chiriari uko kutambuza kamera yawe lighting eyo ino misho no kureba ngo Instagram yawe well balanced ne basabguma hi agati aho ntuba twine light nunji eri kutaho mu sensor ya kamera yetu. Hopefully mubasa kureba footage ya screens zanyeze shaha na difference okwe kugenda nehinduka twagikora daka na twagikora lighter kandi twagireka hagati. I can only manage this abo kuja ngindeba Instagram yanje kokana ntakureba Instagram yanje nkibasa kungumira kumanyangu nani basa kurebera ari display is my video well lit exposed DJ kunkubunye na Instagram yanje nimbani mangu ndije ne basa kunyamba. If everything is in the middle ni mangu najiteka TV mpango kuchekinga if light nagisaje ekishani cyanje nsakwa kibonera abo kwa Instagram tekora ki tekubasa kumbiha. So as usual twine kibakweta okuza your right side that makes it brighter, going to the dark side that makes it darker, the left side sorry. So nicheche chimukubasa kumanya kache ahari exposure. So ekinde kintu kitwantuzagamba heri izoba n'ekintu kibakweta shutter speed. Shutter speed netu yambeta omu video twatwajesire kibakweta shutter angle. Abantu abokushoma videography on a higher standard nibajimanya ka shutter angle. Konkito mu photography na no more videography ita aburijo tujimanya ka shutter speed. So shutter speed nkana bagambira obutwabentu gamba bishani niyo erukuyamba either kishani cyaba sharp oba ninga cyaba blurry kandi erukuyamba with how dark or how light the picture is going to be also. Neyamba na exposure at the same time na motion. Konka hatu video nituenda motion iki. No motion iki abantu yitkoreberamu erikubasa kureplicate njira kamera eji okashangwa no reba video y'omuntu orumno reba nk'ekintu kiriyo misho gawe ebintu tibiyirukanga munonga oba ninga tibyaye henda munonga. So aho shutter speed nhe kwiziramu. Most people shutter speed mbajikoresa ko video nko kubasa kuchigamba cause mbire ni shooting at a lot of parties and a lot of people kandi nibachira kwija kwenda kwa adjusting ekishane na lighting kurugerari shutter speed okweko zireki okweri konka. If you have a camera at home ukaza shutter speed yawe ukabasa kujitwara ukajiteka ari 10 is the industry standard kare mini imbasa tajeta ka industry standard but it is the recommended shutter angle baninga shutter speed to shoot at abo kuba ari 10 everything looks like it is cinematic buri kintu cyane no shanko uri kukirebesa misho gawe video neta kwirukanga munonga kugira ngo eri choppy kandi kindi nene moving aje smoothly neta rough. So ekinkumanyisa niki twa recording a video y'omuntu ari kutambura baninga yengaro aha shutter speed ya 10 numuza kwa mureba buri movement yona yengaro kuyaba netambura abo kugira ngo shutter speed ya higuru munonga kuko twagishutingira ari 10 numuza kwa mureba muka black ache nkako kureba wateka omukono misho gawe okaguhuba ako ka black okureba na misho gawe kugira ngo you cannot see the fingers ziri kutambura frame by frame ejo capability tijini. So ntwantwenda to replicating ekintu nkecho aha camera zit nje kishutingira shutter speed ya 1 out of 100. So waiza kusettinga shutter speed ya 1 out of 100 odiyo mukashana. Sorry aperture yanje taraereke baninga kitwayeta iris mu videography baninga f-stop mu photography teraereka abo kugira ngo lens yenye na aha camera yanje it's a cinema lens. So in any way you will still understand what I'm telling you later to afnesumu. So tuine nayo chibakwata frames per second ezo twagamira baninga frame rate ejino gikoresa ryari one or shooting abantu bogamba twagambira it's possible to use a frame rate between 24 to 30. A genre perfect for people that are talking. Tell too fast, can't tell too slow. You're getting the natural feeling nk'abantu koshe mukano bakora dialogue baragamba konkashi frame rate twenda kugitembesa kugiteka higuru kugira nkari 60. Ejo neisha mu uses za shooting action shooting emotoka eri kwirukanga or anything that requires a lot of high pace movement. Nugo tukongeza frames per second tukaziteka ari nkaga nshanju 8 9 depending where your camera stops. So wori yambaga urukwenda kwata ka short clip oba ningo ine drone ino enda kwata ka short clip ka slow motion kemotoka nachi it's always recommended shooting at 60 frames per second tutaka shooting at 30. Abo kwesho nchiza chukereza freedom yawe yo kugira ngo if nika ahantu editor yanje ndikuza ku editing ekintu if I want to slow down one part of the video ine kwenda kora slow motion obunyi na 60 frames per second if I cut them in half nimbana shigaza 30 frames per second. 30 frames per second is also still acceptable abo kuchaniza kuba nchitambiraje but this time slower abo kugira ngo you're stretching a lot of frames in the same time kampa myesho makorachi mwachichenga. So ekinde kintu kitukuzagamba heri zoba n'ekintu kibakweta frame rates nko twazishoborire before nimbasa kuzikwereka. So right now turiyo muri full HD FHD niye mukurebejo 100 megabytes per second 30 frames per second. So ebyo nambimanisa cyo binagamba full HD 100 megabytes per second at 30 frames. Full HD niyo resolution yetu rumuntu shooting ngira resolution ni buhango bwa video itokwera bene ingana na sharpness yayo kwirije out. Aha frame rate ngo twagitebize tinyine cyamanje kigamba ho na 30 frames per second then twine kitwareba mu kisiyaha 100 megabytes esimu yone basa kuba ne shootinga but sorry camera yone basa kuba ne shootinga 50 megabytes 24 megabytes 70 megabytes 100 megabytes kandi chindi edge option ine aba professional ne basa kuba tara available even no musumu na no musumu megabytes ezesimu shootinga you don't get a choice to choose konka abantu kwa bine cameras bakwenda gukora nka videos yembaga nachi they usually get that option especially kurejera cameras ezibakoze zibine so megabytes ziyamba chi the higher the megabytes for the case mine is 100 megabytes most cameras is shooting in region ya 50 to 30 megabytes but the higher the megabytes ekishani cyawe reka tuje ngo kugenda kachongera mukakara ukachongera mechi hatezi ntizi kuyambera the higher the number the more headroom you have one oza gukora ki ku editing aha computer yawe reka tujire nkeji sky yitu inenyuma omu video yiteji this sky yitu inenyuma twenda kujiha yebicu birige yoje oba ninga ino tukore kintu mbwene ekukurebeka ngu kiri different baninga kiri cinematic aha from the original footage yitu a shooting megabytes ezene kwijiram the higher the megabytes the more high quality video kwe kuza kuba ekihamna na artifacts ezumukureba mbizimbe na nombantu ebintu nkebe byona bikakora ki ekarishangura so camera yo yine option ya megabytes always choose the highest depending on the card yo ine abo kugira ngo megabytes nazo zigendana na size na speed ya card yo ine so memory cards ezitukushooting sana memory cards ebishani tibikushana no kushootinga video omuntu yara shootingireho video aha camera naza kugambira ngo not every memory card works for video well on a camera depending on the camera what you're using in my case edge camera yenye naha ne shootinga 4K so nijo munka basa kugira ngo nyenda kuronda a 4K option kijaha ka shooting on 4K if I try to shoot kugira ngo memory card yanje teine mani ne basa kurekera esha yone kugira ngo recording limit reached abo kugira ngo 4K ni mpango and it's writing a lot of data in a very short space time so waza gura memory card zo shooting a video banzo shoma mugogo gwa memory card orebeze nambeze handikiro za 60 megabytes per second 95 megabytes per second always go with the higher digit ne representing angwejo card ne basa kwirukanga munonga ne basa kuteka mu basa kushootinga higher resolutions otine buzubona abo kuba nicita munonga kubori yambago rukuza kwato muntu arukuza gambe kintu memory card kakugira ngo yarekeraho ku recordinga abo speed te kubasa kora ki kugise
wabare munonga gumaye ku Mira TV West aha program yo membe nabandi tumuhim Sarita twatagane ogundi murundi kandi Kanyes Jengu series za photography na videography zinekizibase kuyamba iwonko muntu inecho yegiremu ko kubasa kose simu yawe oko kubasa kose camera yawe ahabo kuba fashion industry ishaheje ngo kuna nakugambire eri hagati ya videography na photography social media handles zone za buri muntu all those fashion pages you see aitwa inspiration it all goes around back to photography and videography Kanyes Jengu inecho yegiremu kiraba no gundi murundi msibe kurunji